All right, welcome back to Margaritas in Paradise. I'm down on Soi 5 right now, Phratumnak Hill, and we're doing a little bit of a motorbike holiday street view. I kind of got this set up with my gimbal mounted on my invisible selfie stick. Invisible? Anyway, so we're going to check this out and show you exactly what's going on down here. So starting out, we're going by the BB Bistro and Bar on the left. They do have a couple customers. And 7-Eleven on the right. In the summer of '69, they have a few customers there, or 4 or 5 customers. The Cobra Lounge on the left. It's like the Venom's not open at all anymore. Anyway, Cobra actually had some staff sitting outside. A few massage places, but so many of these places are just plain closed along here. Shiva Lounge, Aloha. Aloha has about 5 or 6 customers. Look at all these places. Hard 8 has a lot of staff. They have probably 10 customers or so. And Dom Pizza's closed down for the night. Tom Guest House. This bar here called Tattoo Food and Drink. Looks pretty nice. They only have 1 customer in there, but and then this Schnapps Bar and Bistro has 1 customer, and Bentley's has about 4 customers. This little burger shop here has a customer, and Bernie's has maybe 2 customers or so. That was it. And I'll tell you what, I'm going to go up here a little bit further where the road splits off from Soi 5 and 6. Makes it all into Soi 5. And we'll see what the rest of the road has. Massaging hands, closed. See, there's Buc-ee's on the right. Alright. Well, they didn't look like they had any customers. And we're getting up here a little bit further. And I want to say there's a gentleman's club up here on the right. Yeah, there's a High Five Saloon. And another bar here. There's just no customers. It's amazing that they can keep any staff in there. And everything else up here is pretty dead. Where has everybody went to? All right. Snug on Soi 5. Snug. It looks like a kind of a snug type place, and didn't look like it had any customers. As well as there's another place here on the left. Let's see, maybe we can go back to that. The Old Rogers, right? Retreat. All right. So that's it down here. It's amazing. It's that quiet. And It's just that quiet. Just that quiet. And one of the places I would notice coming down through here was this self-serve filling station here on the right for guys that need petrol or for gasoline. You can see they have 95. Yeah, 95 is what they have. So you can do it yourself, and it looks like a coin-operated machine. 24 hours. Pretty good. And they have instructions here that are in Thai and Russian and in English. I'll get a picture of that. Guys on motorbike just out making noise, I think. I'm not sure. But maybe I should go down and take another run through there and make sure I covered everything, because I went through there so fast. Cleaned up. Hello. They've really cleaned up Bernie's. I don't know if that's a good thing or bad. Bernie's always had its own kind of elegance. It is definitely quiet down here. The Cobra Lounge has quite the staff outside. Checkpoint. It's just about completely closed in there. So we went in there, and I think we ate at the checkpoint the last time I was down here. And yeah, nothing going on. All right. We're back out again, and we're down on 2nd Road, just north of Phratumnak Hill, and we're just on the very south edge of Pattaya on 2nd Road. And we're going to go all the way down to Pattaya Thai. We're going to turn right on Pattaya Thai, and then we're going to get out and do some walking. So let's go check this out. Now it's Friday night. You never know what we're going to see. Keep your eyes open. Alright, so what you definitely have in this area here is kind of known for the Indian nationals, the Arab area of town, and the guys tend to walk out in the streets versus using the sidewalk so much. And I'm not saying we're going to see that tonight, but it does happen in this area. Well, it happens all over town, but still, it happens. So the warning for you is that you should always be very careful, especially walking with traffic. You should walk with your head on a swivel, because you just never know what's coming up behind you, like a big bus or a truck or something like that. Just be really careful if you decide to go that route yourself. course, it is a Friday night. Now, if you haven't done so already, make sure you're giving me a big thumbs up and you're hitting the subscribe button. This guy. Now he's gonna back up. Now, if you go over one street to the left, you'll be on Walking Street. Just kind of give you an idea of where we're at. And we're coming up on, we're already coming up on Pattaya Thai. I don't think we're gonna make it though. Let's see here, we get it there. This Turkish kebab is a pretty famous place. There's several of them along here. As far as kebabs go. Now we're on Pattaya Thai. There's food stalls on both sides of the road. Let's go down Soybakal. That's off of Pattaya Thai. Normally Pattaya Thai doesn't really get going until really about 2 a.m. or so, and then it runs until probably 5 or 6 a.m. anyway. People getting off work going out there to eat. It's amazing though. You would think it'd be more busy. Even here, you would think it'd be more busy. So, crazy hot bar. Oh, it is dead, dead, dead in here. There's nobody in here. Wow. Action Street has nobody in it. Ecstasy. Doing? Hey! we're getting enough. Here's Dynamite's Porch Lounge. Oh, it looks nice. I like that. Good looking bar, lounge. This is Boomerang on the left. All the lights are on down there. It just didn't look busy. Alright, we're going to go down Soy Diana. Try to get out of this mess. Probably missed out on buying in there, huh? We're back out on Second Road, and we're going to end it there. I'm going to pull over here and just turn off the video and get rid of everything as far as that's concerned. All right, well, I enjoyed this motorcycle ride last night so much. It's sad to see an area so deserted. And hopefully it's going to get better. There's no doubt it's going to get better. It's going to take time. Maybe we have to wait till high season. We'll keep you advised. All right. Make sure you're hitting that thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Check the description box below. And we'll see you in the next video. All right. Bye-bye.